Nimanidoo, maamakaadeniminaan, gakina, akiiwan ozhitooyan, anangoog gaye, aanakwad chi-madweweg, gimashkawiziiwin, minz'we ayaag. Nanagamoomagad sa ninde, Gwetaamigwendaagoziyan. Nanagamoomagad sa ninde, gichi-ishpendaagoziyan. Nanagamoomagad sa ninde, Gwetaamigwendaagoziyan. Gichi-ishpendaagoziyan, gichi-ishpendaagoziyan. Hey. You may be seated. Hey.
That's what it seems like.
So yeah, that was the Amazing Grace.
No, it's not.
Ojibwemowin. What do you mean?
That's actually, how great thou art.
Oh, right. Yeah. So, how great thou art in Ojibwemowin. And, welcome to the show. Welcome to Buju, Nana Buju, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And don't let them kid you. Spirituality and Christianity is part of the Anishinaabe culture too.
Yeah, huh?
Everybody wants to say, "Oh no, man, that's just a boarding school." Well, you know what? There's a lot of good Christians who are also good Anishinaabe.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know how many churches Cass Lake has, but there's a lot.
I know.
So anyway, this is just saying Buju, and Miigwed Gichi-Minidoo. It's thank you. So yeah. I don't know. You think that's good enough for a show? It's already a couple minutes long.
Oh, yeah. That's probably enough.
All right. Well, hey, I hope you enjoyed the song. Should we do one more to go out?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Okay, here's a good one. Oh, amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. When we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun, we've no less days to sing God's praise than when we first begun. How come you didn't sing with me? Oh, sweetie, that was really beautiful. I couldn't have helped it at all.
You're too kind.
Eh.